heavy snow.
Here comes the snow.
There's a car in the road. Look. It's snowing outside. Look.
Merry Christmas.
It's pretty outside. Gloomy though. And it's down the road. Thank you for the mail.
You drop it off?
Yeah.
You already stopped at our place?
The LB. He's like a race car driver. That mailman doesn't mess around.
Did you stop at our place?
You do reverse to the road and drive again up the hill. Thank you, LV. The LV. LLV. Our Christmas light is on. Wow, it's really heavy snowing outside. Good. Catch the snow and make some halo-halo.
I'll go down check the mail, should I?
Yeah, well, it's not full of snow yet in the driveway.
I'm gonna go.
Yeah. Snowing outside, folks. In winter wonderland. It's big chunks of snow. Checking out the snow. Look, the wood pile. There's a snow blizzard, folks. Snow blizzard. Winter wonderland, it's slushy. It's slushy. Farmhouse getting white of snow. Our porch with Christmas light. Look, the wood pile. There's a snow blizzard, folks. Snow blizzard. Winter wonderland. It's slushy. It's slushy. The farmhouse getting white of snow. Our porch with Christmas light. Here I am. This is my first time to wear my ski mask. We got this online. That's me. There's my earring. Wearing pink. Welcome to Antarctica. A little slushy. I won't get wet. My decoration is finally decorated by nature. Have some white stuff. It's windy. There's my Santa. Christmas light. Going in now. Oh my God. It's windy. Pacific Island grass is down now. Too heavy snow on top of it. Getting bright now outside. Not gloomy anymore. The sun is coming out. Look how pretty the snow is falling down, like slow motion. It's straight now. Oh, look.
Yeah. Oh yes, horizontal.
You ask for but a campfire in your own living room plus coffee. There's our wood stove with a campfire, firewood fire, plus the snow outside. Right, Santa? Turn all white. Maybe it's about 3 inches of snow today. 3 or 4. It's really all get piled up in the porch. It's nice though, with the Christmas light reflecting in the snow.